How to verify your Spotify artist profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pimul from Geek. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you how you can verify your Spotify's artist profile. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to verify your artist profile on Spotify, all you have to do is first of all open up any of your web browser, and then you want to go to this URL, of which I'll also make sure to leave a direct link down in the description box. Once you go to this URL, you will see this kind of interface over here. Now, in order to verify and get the verification badge for Spotify artist account, you first want to make sure that you've claimed your artist profile. In order to claim this, what you need to do is just click on the continue button over here, and you want to make sure you're connecting the right account, and then click on the next button again. And right over here, you simply want to search for your artist profile name over here, because if your music is already live, you'll be able to see your artist profile name, and if it's already been claimed, you'll not be able to claim it. So you want to keep that in mind. Or else you want to simply manually copy your Spotify artist profile URL by going to your dashboard and then pasting them in this specific box. Once the verification request is successful after this, you will successfully be able to get verified as a Spotify artist. And that's all it takes to verify your Spotify artist account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.